What is Markdown?
Markdown is a lightweight markup language designed to make formatting text simple and readable. It's widely used in software development for documentation, readme files, and wikis. Because it's easy to learn and works across many platforms, Markdown helps you write clear, structured documents without needing complex tools or code.
Essential formatting features.
Markdown makes formatting text quick and intuitive. Use headings for structure, like number heading for titles and number for subtitles. Bold and italic text draw attention to key points. Lists, both numbered and bulleted, organize items clearly. Horizontal lines can separate sections. These basic features help make documentation easy to scan and understand.
Code and syntax highlighting.
Software documentation often includes code examples. In Markdown, use backticks for inline code and triple backticks to create code blocks. Many platforms recognize the programming language after the opening backticks for syntax highlighting, making code easier to read and errors easier to spot. This is especially helpful for sharing sample commands, scripts, or configuration files.
Links, images, and tables.
Enhance your documentation by adding links to external resources using square brackets and parentheses. Markdown also allows you to insert images, which can help illustrate concepts or provide screenshots. Tables help present data clearly, using pipes and dashes to define rows and columns, making complex information more digestible for readers.
Best practices for clarity and consistency.
To make your software documentation stand out, use Markdown's features consistently. Structure documents with clear headings, use lists for steps or items, and highlight code properly. Keep language concise and avoid unnecessary formatting. Break long texts into short paragraphs. Consistent, clean Markdown ensures your documentation remains professional, readable, and user-friendly.